Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw and color a fresh papaya with a slice. So grab your colors and let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
First, I draw the papaya slice, including the inside and outside parts. Then, I draw the full body shape of the papaya. Next, I add some seeds inside the slice to make it look realistic. Now it's time to color. First, I use black for the seeds. Then, I use orange for the inside of the papaya slice. Finally, I use green for the outer body of the papaya. Papaya is a tropical fruit rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help boost immunity and support healthy digestion. And that's it! Our shiny, colorful papaya drawing is complete! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Art for more fun drawing and coloring videos. See you next time! Bye!